Now, let's move on to some exciting news. A startup called Humily claims to have created the world's first portable shower and drying system in one. This shower can be used anywhere, spraying water as a fine mist and then drying you off in seconds. It's definitely something people at Burning Man would love. On a more serious note, the cryptocurrency market has been experiencing significant losses. Bitcoin has dropped below $50,000, leading to over $1 billion in liquidations. If the economic situation worsens, Bitcoin's price could fall even further. This is definitely a tough time for many investors. Thank you for joining us today. Don't forget to like, subscribe. See you next time on Silks.